Microsoft Build is around the corner. Normally, this is where I'd be scrolling through session pages, forgetting half of them, and pretending that I'm going to watch 40 sessions. But this time, I wanted to test something different. So I'm going to ask Copilot Cowork to use Work IQ, look at what I'm actually working on, understand my priorities, then build me a personalized Microsoft Build watch list. Not some random sessions that actually match what I'm working on. So Work IQ is what makes Microsoft 365 Copilot personal to your work. It can understand context across things like meetings, files, emails, chats, and business data, SharePoint, anything in OneDrive. By the end of this, I want Copilot Cowork to give me 3 things. 1, a Work IQ profile. 2, top 12 Microsoft Build sessions I should watch. And lastly, with calendar blocks that I can approve. I'm going to let it do its thing. While it's doing this, I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to sit here and watch it for like 5 minutes. All right, so it looks like it's completed a few of my tasks. It wants me to actually verify the personalized picks, and then if I say it looks good, it'll actually create those blocks. Okay, let's take a look at the HTML here. Okay, I just realized that this report or this dashboard that I just generated has a lot of personal details in here that I probably shouldn't be sharing. So I'm going to be using a plugin or a skill that I created in Cowork, and it will generate the same kind of report, but with fake data. So let me just pull that up so we can actually look at it. Okay, here's my personalized picks. Again, this is based off of a demo, so it doesn't have real names in here. It's based off of my Cavor Industries. Everything else is pretty much the same, though. It is using Work IQ. But we see here my phase 1, my Work IQ profile. Synthesized a bunch of different stuff for me, but this looks really good, right? Like it gives good information, must watch sessions, and I can actually click this link here. This is a link to the session itself, Microsoft Build. As I scroll down, it is giving me a little bit of a rating here about, hey, this is a 10 out of 10 you should watch. This is 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10. These are really high ones that it suggests I watch. Also a strong fit that I should watch, right? These are some ones that I should watch as well. Right, these are all based off of my Work IQ. And these are the optional but useful. Maybe these ones I would watch on demand later, as it notes there. And phase 4, my proposed viewing block. So this is what it's going to generate. So day 1, it's going to generate these ones for my calendar. It's telling me if I have a conflict or not, and if I should watch it on demand. We also have the day 2, Wednesday. At the very bottom here, it does say we can say to create the blocks to Cowork, and the assistant will create those blocks based off of how long the sessions are. So this is really cool. Again, this is very useful, and obviously every dashboard is going to be a little bit different. For you, when you generate this, it might be a lot different. I'm curious to see your results. So at the end of this, if you do decide to do this, which Microsoft Build is coming up, I believe the time I'm publishing this video, Microsoft Build is tomorrow. So hopefully everyone's caught up and ready to go. Let me know your results in the comments below. Let's get back to Cowork to create those events for us. I'm going to say create the blocks, even the blocks that overlap with my previous or ongoing meetings. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and create those blocks. Let me open up the side pane here. It should continue on. Looks like it's going to create these calendar blocks because I don't want it to ask me every second. I'm going to always allow in this session. So now it's going to go and create blocks for each of those sessions and not ask me every single time, at least in this chat. Oh, and just to show my calendar, just to show that it did create the events. We see them here in my calendar. Awesome. I'll share the prompt with everyone. The power is not just asking questions. The power is giving it a real business outcome. Plan my Microsoft Build week and use my work context. Prioritize sessions based on what I'm actually doing, turn it into a dashboard, and then propose calendar events and block off that time. That is a real workflow, saves me so much time, and now I can actually focus and not have to worry about blocking maybe the whole day off. Now I just have a few sessions blocked off that I most likely would actually care about. So if you're testing Copilot Cowork, don't just ask generic prompts. Give it context, give it a mission, make it inspect your work first. That's really where the real value starts showing up, is with work IQ. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video, put in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you. Have a great day.